Here's a quick demonstration on how Centro now allows you to archive channels within Microsoft Teams using Salesforce Flow. In this example, we have an auto launch flow that will allow you to archive a channel within Microsoft Teams. But this can be done with a record triggered flow, screen flow, etc. In this example, I'm using my Get Linked Conversations Salesforce Flow element to pull in the channel ID and the team ID to pass in to archive. Here you can see I have my Get Linked Conversation object selected here, and I'm linking it based on my linked record field on my linked conversation object, and I'm tying that to a variable called record ID. In a record triggered flow, this would be tied to the triggering record or a triggering subrecord of that object. Below, you can see here I've chose fields and assigned variables in separate values. I've selected the channel ID and the workspace team ID and passed those into two text variables called var channel and var team ID. You can see those variables here. Next, we're using the Centro Archive Conversation Flow element. I am passing the channel ID into the variable here, and I've selected that, and then the team ID here into the Microsoft Team ID. I'm leaving the archive option as defaulted off, and that is all the steps needed to archive a channel. If I wanted to unarchive, I could deselect or turn on this option and populate the true global constant here to unarchive. Again, this is a quick overview on how you can now archive Teams channels in Microsoft Teams using Centro and Salesforce Flow. Please reach out with any questions.